know how I made this beautiful arrangement right here? You could use this for a centerpiece for any special occasion. If you do, please stick around and I will show you how.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're new to this channel, we're glad to have you here and thank you so much for joining me. For today's video, I'll be making another beautiful heart-shaped balloon using our wire right here. So all the materials that we use will be in the description down below. And if you want to know how I made this beautiful stand, we have a different video tutorial that you can follow right there. So it's very simple. You can just like buy this at your local hardware store. That said, we'll start off with a wire. So this is actually 53 inches. So the center or the middle part of this is the 28 inches right here. So 28 inches. So I put a mark right there, as you can see, and also at the end I got 3 inches on this side and I put the mark. Also at the same time on the other side I have the 3 inches right here. So we'll shape this into a heart and we'll mount it to our board. Find the mark right here in the center and we'll just have to bend this. Just like that. So we have our heart, and as you can see, the mark is right here on our 3 inches. Bend it this way, and the other one is this way. So you can use this as a centerpiece or even a gift. For this particular video, we'll use this as a centerpiece. So I have 16 inches latex balloon. We'll inflate this and we'll cover our base. Put this right on there. Release there. There, so that's how you cover your board. Okay, and then you just have to tie this on here. So we have 11 or 12 inches balloon. So cover the pole. Just like that. So we'll tape this on here using our clear tape. After I put the tape on, I will cover the clear tape with our 260 balloon. Just pump little air in here. All you need is that much. We'll just tie this on here. Alright, so I will add another one like this. We'll continue on until we cover the whole heart. And there you go. Our heart shape. We have 5 inches here. We have red and gold. We'll inflate this to 3.5 or 8.89 centimeter using our balloon sizer. Inflate it to 3.5 inches. And after I do this, I made a knot, and then you pinch it right on the center. Turn it like this. After you do that, grab this here, like this. So you do this on gold and also on the red, just like this. So I already made a lot of this. I pre-inflated, and there you go. We have a lot now. So you attach your red and gold together. We'll put it like this. You attach them like that. So now we want the gold on the inside, red on the outside, or vice versa. For this case, maybe we'll put the red on the inside part. So basically you just have to put this in here, put it in between the wire, just like that. Now it holds in place. So red on the inside, gold on the outside. Touch it like that, make sure it's nice and close. Alright, so before we continue onto the side, make sure that it's all like that. So arrange them. Remember, our goal is gold on the outside, red on the inside. So now we'll just have to continue on until we get to the bottom part. Now we will add our balloon flower right here. So if you want to know how we made this, we have a different video tutorial that you can follow. Please check that out. And we'll attach this here using our balloon glue dots. So put this here, we'll stick it to the balloon there on the base. Just like that, and then we'll add our leaves. We use 20 of gold 5-inch balloon and 20 of our red 5-inch balloon. And there you go, guys. This is finally done. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. And once again, this is FemMNY. We'll see you guys in our next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye!